Basically, I know someone who has a business where they make cakes, but the person asked them to make it for one of their bidah like occasions. Is it permissible to make a cake for that?
Person who makes cake and somebody told him to make a cake for bid'ah.
Yeah, they want to hire them because they're going to do it for one of their bidah occasions, and that person knows it's for that. Is it permissible?
So what do you think of Muhammad? You as being a student for a long time, is this halal or not? So if somebody, you're selling knives, mashallah, for the kitchen, and said to you, please can you just give me some knives? I'm going to kill these people with it. I'm going to kill these Muslims with it, or the kuffar with it. Doesn't matter, Muslim kuffar, because they're not allowed. Are you allowed to sell him that knife?
No, Sheikh.
Khalas, same thing, same answer for making cake for bid'ah, same thing. I mean, this is, that's what we call ilm al-nadha'ir, the knowledge of the equivalence. Just give the equivalence and then you will know what is correct or not. Give the extreme of it. So somebody selling knives, okay, halal. But somebody said to him, give me this knife. Why? But you didn't ask him to him. He said, I'm going to kill with this. I'm going to kill that guy with it. I can't sell him that knife. You can't just say, if I don't sell him the knife, you're going to buy it from somebody else. I might as well get the profit from him. No, sorry, can't do that. نعم.
جزاك الله.
وتعاونوا على البر والتقوى ولا تعاونوا على الإثم والعدوان. Help one another in birr wa taqwa. Do not